Today we will continue reading Oceans by Seymour Simon. As we read today, we're going to be learning about currents, which are a little like rivers that flow through the ocean. So let's focus on how currents work. As I read, follow my cursor. The major ocean currents of the world flow in huge circular paths called gyres. This satellite photo shows a section of the warm Gulf Stream, part of the North Atlantic Gyre. The computer-generated colors show water temperatures from the warmest red to the coolest blue. The Gulf Stream swirls up the east coast of North America and out into the Atlantic at a speed of up to 100 miles a day. In the middle of the Atlantic, the Gulf Stream divides and part of it becomes the North Atlantic Current. This flows past northern Europe, making the climate warmer and milder than it might be otherwise. In the Pacific, the warm Japan current becomes the North Pacific Current and then moderates the climate on the west coast of the United States and Canada. Sometimes the normal pattern of ocean currents changes and the results can be a disaster. One of the world's major fisheries is in the cool, nutrient-rich waters off the coast of Peru. Every few years, however, the cool water warms and the sea life disappears. This strange change is known as El Niño. These computer-generated maps show what happens. The blues are the coldest waters, reds are the warmest waters. The image on the left shows the warm currents, one, that produce normal weather in most years. The green area, 2, shows the cool waters usually found off the coast of Peru. The image on the right shows that during El Niño, the warm currents have cooled, 4, and the cool waters have warmed, 3. During the winter of 1997 to 1998, the biggest El Niño of the century was underway, and all around the Pacific, climates changed. Australia suffered one of the worst droughts in 200 years, causing immense dust storms and fires. On the west coast of South America, heavy rains up to 3 times above normal flooded the region. And in the United States, record snow fell in the Rocky Mountains, which resulted in heavy flooding in the spring.